I'm Amber Payton on your home for 24/7 News, the Black Information Network, and BINnews.com. I'm Terry McCready.
I'm Kevin Brown on your home for 24/7 News, the Black Information Network.
Former President Trump says he has a pretty good idea of who he'll choose as his running mate. That's what he told Fox News during his visit to Capitol Hill, while saying he'll most likely announce his pick at the Republican National Convention next month.
They look like some really talented people. I have a pretty good idea, but I think it's probably the other way it's usually done.
Trump held meetings with both House and Senate Republicans on his first visit there since the attack on the U.S. Capitol following his 2020 election loss. The former president also pushed back against reports that he called Milwaukee a horrible city during the closed-door meeting, claiming he was referring to crime and election integrity.
Meanwhile, Trump told reporters that President Biden is the wrong man for the job.
We're a nation that is being laughed at all over the world. We have a leader that's being laughed at all over the world.
Trump asked Republicans to unify. He expects to take back the White House in November. He said he plans to bring common sense back to the government and secure the southern border if he wins the election.
New information is being released about vacations taken by Supreme Court Justice Clarence Thomas. A report by the Senate Judiciary Committee found Thomas failed to disclose 3 trips that were paid for by GOP mega-donor Harlan Crow. He paid for Thomas to take private jets across the country in 2017, 2019, and 2021. The committee's report noted Thomas has received over $4 million in undisclosed gifts. Senate Judiciary Chairman Dick Durbin said the investigation makes it crystal clear that the highest court needs an enforceable code of conduct.
The U.S. Department of Justice is revealing its findings in a years-long investigation into the police department in Phoenix, Arizona. A roughly 130-page report shows excessive force was used, which violated the constitutional rights of individuals, especially minorities and those who are experiencing homelessness. Assistant Attorney General Kristen Clark, the DOJ Civil Rights Division, says that officers would also use escalation as de-escalation, which in turn endangered officers and the investigation was opened 3 years ago.
Residents of the historically black Morgan Park neighborhood in northeast Baltimore have officially unveiled a historical marker in recognition of the community's legendary leaders. Afro News reports the acknowledgement is particularly significant as the neighborhood was the first suburb to be designed and planned for African Americans in Baltimore City. Jim Crow laws prohibited African Americans from sharing spaces with whites in Maryland, and Baltimore wrote the first housing segregation laws. The Maryland Center for History and Culture reports that one of the first official policies was an ordinance which passed in 1910 that stated that no black resident could move onto a block in which more than half of the residents were white, and vice versa. I'm Terry McCready along with Kevin Brown on your home for 24/7 News, the Black Information Network.
How can I answer that? Yeah, he starts spamming you like crazy. Just stop calling every couple minutes. I'm driving, I'm not answering the phone. Besides, it's very demanding. I'm not answering, sorry.
Giving us a sense of belonging. Why do we keep them? According to Reggie
He
Joyner
has to
of Family
fucking
Wine,
call every 5
making
seconds.
traditions with our families
Yeah.
strengthen our bonds and reminds us that we are part of something bigger.
Look for ways that you can make traditions with your family, from making breakfast in bed
Damn,
on
he calls like
birthdays to
fucking
watching
crazy.
your
I'm
favorite
driving.
movie
I'm
every
not answering the
Thanksgiving.
fucking
Allowing your
phone.
kids to be part of the
There he
process
goes.
engages
Fucking
them, giving
bitch.
them a sense of security and a way to avoid